So you got the dreaded message that your Google Drive is full or close to being full? Stick around and I'll show you how to free up space in Google Drive. Hi and welcome to IT Paisa. In this video I'll go over some of the factors causing you to run out of space and tips on how to free up space in Google Drive. Out of the free email providers in 2025, Google is the only one that gives you the most storage at 15 gigabytes. This amount is great if all you are using your Google account is for email. However, if you also sync your Photos app or use it as your primary account on an Android, those 15 gigabytes fill up fast. With the advancement in photo technology in smartphones, the average high-resolution picture is usually between 2 to 5 megabytes, and the average high-resolution video being about 100 megabytes per second. That means that if you take lots of videos and pictures, your storage needs will be more than the 15 gigabytes of free storage you get. So where can you find how much storage you are using and how to free up space? Come on, follow me. Using your favorite browser, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Come toward the top right, click on the 9 dots, Google Apps. Once the menu loads, scroll down until you see Google One. Click on Google One. As you can see, the Google One is a dashboard of all the storage you are using. In my case, I'm using about 51% of the 15 gigabytes that I get for free. To view what items or services are using up the most amount of space, click on View under Clean Up Space. As you can see here, the bar graph is telling us that Gmail is using up about 7.19 gigabytes. It also gives you clean up suggested items. So for example, you can delete emails in the trash folder. You can delete unsupported videos, spam emails, and emails with large attachments. If all you use your Google account for is email, I suggest reviewing emails with large attachments and deleting the ones you don't want. If you use your Google account to store your pictures, I suggest clicking on the Google Photos service and clean up pictures you no longer want or need. The other option you have if you don't want to delete any of your files, emails, or pictures is to buy more storage. To do that, on the left, click on Storage. In the storage dashboard, if you scroll toward the bottom, you'll see different plans that you can subscribe to on a monthly or annual basis. And it also gives you different types of sizes to purchase. Make sure you pick the correct size based on the needs of your files that you want to keep. If you found this video informative, click the thumbs up. Have a comment or want to make a suggestion for my next video? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.